Hello, everyone. It's me, Miss Hall, and me, Rosa Rabbit. And welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words. We're so glad you could come. Is everyone ready to begin with our learning target? Try to say it with me if you can. I can identify specific sounds and words. Great job, everybody. Rosa, you're always such a good helper. Have you ever thought about being a teacher when you grow up? Oh, yeah, wow, how exciting would that be? It would be awesome. Is everyone ready to begin with some rhyming words? Today, I'm going to say a word. You're going to try to come up with 5 words that rhyme with my word. Make-believe words are okay too. Are you ready? Here's our first word. Dog. Can you think of 5 words that rhyme with dog? I think I'm ready. Are you ready, students? Rosa, can I share my 5 words that rhyme with dog? Oh, yes, let's hear it. All right. Cog, log, sock. 5 words. Did any of you have any of the same words as Miss Hall? You did? How cool is that? Well, great job working on rhyming words, everybody. For our next activity, we are going to work on hearing words. I'll say 3 words that all begin with the same first sound. You're going to tell me what that sound is. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Came, car, cash. What's the first sound? That's right. Fall, fish, fun. What's the first sound? That's right. Juice, judge, jot. What's the first sound? J. Very good. J. Let's do one more set of words. Each, emu, equal. What's the first sound in those words? E. Great job. E. Super job identifying the first sound in words. Now it's time to get our choppers out. Rosa and I are going to chop all the sounds we hear in a word. When Rosa does this, you'll put those sounds together and say what the word is. Listen carefully. Ape, cape, et, pet, d, I, m, dim, n, a, b. Knob. Let's do one more. S, I, d. Side. Great job putting sounds together to make a word. Now for our next activity, we're going to work on identifying the middle sound we hear in a word. I'm going to say a word, and Rosa's going to hop up for the middle sound. You're going to listen and then say what that middle sound is. Are you ready? Are you ready, Rosa? All right, let's get hopping. At. What's the middle sound? Ah. Good job. Ah. Big. What's the middle sound? Eh. That's right. Eh. Run. What's the middle sound? Oh. Good job. Let's do one more word. Rock. What's the middle sound in that word? Oh. Good job. Ah. Awesome job identifying the middle sound in words. Great job hopping, Rosa. Thank you very much. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You'll repeat the word, and then you're going to chop all the sounds you hear in the word. Are you ready? Say cape. Now chop cape. Ape, Good job. Say pet. Now chop pet. Pet. Good job. Say dim. Now chop dim. D, I, m. Good job. Let's do one more. Say knob. Now chop knob. N, A, B. Individual sounds. For our next activity, we're going to start with a word. I'll tell you the first sound to change. And when I do this, you're going to say what our new word is. Are you ready? Say hub. Change h to k. Cub. Say cub. Change k to r. Rub. Say rub. Change r to s. Sub. Say sub. Change s to t. Tub. Awesome job changing the first sound in words to make a new word. Now, for our next activity, we'll begin by saying the ending chunk or rhyme of a word. I'll tell you the first sound to add, and when I do this, you'll put it together to make the word. Here we go. Say aim. Add k. Came. Say am. Add p. Pam. Say and. Add o. Land. Let's do one more. Say in. Add t. Tin. Great job starting with the rhyme of a word, adding a first sound, and putting it together to make a word. For our last activity, we are going to start with a word. I'll tell you the first sound to take away, and when I go like this, you will say what the remaining chunk is. Are you ready? Here's our first one. Say dime. Say it without d. I'm. Say tear. Say it without t. Ear. Say fuse. Say it without f. Use. Say send. Say it without s. End. Great job taking away the first sound in a word and then saying the rhyming chunk that's left of the word. That's all we have for today, friends. I need to hop along. No, it's so great to see you. I'll see you next time. Bye, Rosa. Great job today, everybody. We'll see you next time for more sounds and words. Have a great day.